Okay, everybody, Trevin here with the from Shifley Auto, and we're going to do this video showcasing a very powerful feature of the Shifley Auto Lister. And this feature is posting directly to Facebook groups outside of Marketplace. Why was this feature created? A few different reasons. One, uh, Facebook has roughly 20 to 25 versions of Facebook just in the US. That does not include Canada and other different areas. And each version, depending on the region you're in, sometimes does not let you cross post from a marketplace listing to Facebook groups. Some versions limit it to 20, and then there's a handful that allow it to post everywhere. And the far majority do not allow you to cross post to discussion groups. It's only buy sell groups, which creates a little bit of an issue because many groups out there are just discussion groups. So the only way to get into them is strictly for you have to post directly into the group where the tool has the ability to do it. Now, something to kind of keep in mind here also, at times you can be blocked by Facebook. There is a variety of reasons that can happen. There's many variables. It could be from overposting. It could be because it's a new account. It could be many times something you will never even know happens, which is somebody reported your post, somebody just being facetious. Maybe it's a competitor, maybe it's somebody that's angry, or whatever the case may be. Facebook can limit that. So, a lot of variables, and you may not be able to post directly to Marketplace for a little bit. They may put you on hold, and what's referred to as Facebook jail happens. It's not uncommon. It has nothing to do with the tool. With that being said, you still can post into Facebook groups, so you can still get product out there, even if you are being blocked. So here is how this works. When we open the tool, we click on the icon at the top and we see it opens the tool here. On where to post, you'll notice there's three options: Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Groups, or your Facebook page. So by default, it's always at Marketplace. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that to Groups. And now the group feature pops up here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Load Vehicles. Now once I've clicked Load Vehicles, you can see my vehicles are loaded. Now, if you don't have groups added, this is going to be empty. I already added some groups. So what you have to do is you have to add your Facebook groups to the tool. Here's how you do that. Go to Facebook. Go to the left side, click on Groups. Then you're going to click on Your Groups. Once you click on Your Groups, what you're going to see pop up here is you're going to see a button that pops up on all the groups here. It says Add. Okay. So if you've already added the group, it means it's already been added. But let's just say all I do is I click this. I'm going to add the group to the tool. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to add the group to the tool. You just go through and you add your groups that you want to the tool. Very, very simple. And what will happen is I'm going to refresh this here. You will see that it added all the groups now to this list. Okay. So very, very simple, very easy. Now here, I'm going to show you how you exactly go about posting to Facebook here with these groups. Once I have them all added to the tool, I just find the group that I want to list. If you start typing the group out too, it will go to just start doing the letters. If I do, I can just type it and it just goes right to it. But let's just say I want to post to this particular group here. I just select the group, and then all I do is I find the vehicle I want to list and I click Post. What it's going to do is it's going to open Facebook and go right to the group. Very, very simple. Now, once it populates here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that on here discussion is selected. On a buy sell group, you will see it will say buy sell next to it. Okay. And then you want to, and it by default will have buy sell selected. You do not want to post this as buy sell because it will try to post it to Marketplace, and if it's not going to work. So click on discussion and then see where it says write something. All I do is I click on this. It pulls this up, and then you will see the insert vehicle data. I'm just going to click it. And what it's going to do is it is going to put all the photos in for me. And then my AI is going to write something. Now, something unique about this, if you want, in Facebook groups, you can actually put your phone number. You could put anything about financing, whatever you want. If you tell the instructions on here to add it, it will actually add that, and you'll be able to do that. So very, very simple. Now, once this is popular, I just hit post, and it's going to post that in the group. And then all I do is let's say I want to go to a different group. I just select this and I want to post this one in this group. I'm going to click that, and it is going to open this group immediately. And then very quickly, I'm just going to go through. You can see how fast this can be if I'm going through, and I can do quite a few. And space them out a little bit, because Facebook, you don't want Facebook to think that you're spamming the groups. Now, fortunately, because if you're posting different vehicles in different groups, it comes in very, very helpful to be able to do this. And it will help out quite a bit in this regard. So you can see it did this here, and then I would hit post, and then I would move on. So very easy to use, very simple to use. This is not a very complicated process, but this is exactly how I would go through and find my next vehicle. I'm going to click post and make sure discussion is selected. And then I would click once again, insert vehicle data, and it's going to be able to do this, and I can post this. So you can go through quite a few pretty quickly, different groups, different vehicles that you're posting in, and you could prevent from, this is a bypass to not only get into groups that you can't cross post to, but if you are being blocked or Facebook's limiting you, throttling how many you can post, this is the easy way to be able to do that. So it makes it really simple to be able to go through and go through this process. So this is a great feature to use. Make sure you take advantage of it and get out there and sell some cars.